we going? Babe, where are we going?
I don't know yet. Calm down.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's night out with my habibi. I don't know where we're going, but we're going, okay? That's the vibe. That's the good thing about us. He's ready and I'm ready. We're just ready for this. Say hello to my viewers.
Sup?
Sup, bro.
Sup, viewers?
Yo.
Sup? Hi.
Hey.
Hello. Welcome back to her channel. Hey. Let's get some food. I'm hungry.
So we are here. Gyros. This is awesome. I got it. Don't worry.
Alright. You have a mini? Yes. Where do you want to sit? Outside or outside?
How do you pronounce?
Gyro?
Gyro, yeah, gyro.
Gyro. Well, it's Greek.
Yeah, it's a Greek.
Gyro.
So in Greece.
Yes.
This place has a warm reception. Looks good. Babe, I think I love it here.
You love it
good.
here?
Yeah.
You like this place? Oh,
Yeah.
it's a good place.
Great reception. It's cool, nice. As if I've been here before. Menu. You can scan or you can get there. So Habibi's gonna choose what we're gonna have.
So I know what I want. I want to do.
You always know what we want because
I know what I want.
in most cases give you time.
Is it lamb and beef? Lamb?
No, it's a pure beef.
Only beef?
Yeah, pure beef.
Oh man, lamb is so good. Okay, baby. What do you want?
I always want to eat what you're eating.
Okay, well, so we're gonna get some of these.
We can share, okay? We can buy, then we share, okay? Okay, baby?
Okay, baby.
It's a little spicy.
Maybe a little bit.
The salad ish for me. Guys, it was nice. The mojito, nice. The taste for everything is my first time, so I loved it. No problem. Mas mushkila. So, Eddie, just get away. So, guys, it's been nice trying out everything. For those who've been watching my video from where I started from up to seriously, Eddie, you don't have a YouTube channel. Just keep quiet, okay?
I'm trying to do a video over here.
You're not doing a video. You see me recording and then now you're recording. But anyways, guys, for those who've been watching the channel, thank you so much for watching. The food wasn't too salty. I'm used to so much salt. That's me, but it wasn't so salty. My husband keeps on reminding me that all the food we eat has its own nutrients and all that. blah blah blah. He's gonna say blah blah blah. But I loved it. Not too stuffy, not too much in my tummy. I'm gonna tag them. Gyros.
Yes.
Gyros. It's a Greek restaurant. So as we speak right now, bye bye Greece. I'm going back to Kuwait. Yeah, it's been amazing. The mojito was good. The ambience was great. Customer care was good. I don't know if that was the manager or the head barista, but he was good. I didn't get his name. And just shout out to the whole team, the entire team. Thank you so much. But since you did pay for this one, I stop there, okay? Allow me to stop there. Eddie doesn't have a YouTube channel. Please don't follow him for any reason because he's such a bore.
I'm trying to make a video over here. Calm down.